In today's video, I am going to teach you how to auto-forward emails in Outlook. Whether you are using Outlook on the web, the new Outlook app, or the classic desktop version, I'll walk you through exactly what to click and why, so you can get messages automatically sent to another inbox with confidence. Let's start with Outlook on the web or the new Outlook. Open Outlook, then select the gear icon for settings. In the settings pane, choose Mail, then Forwarding. Here, turn on Enable Forwarding. In the box that appears, type the email address where you want your messages to be sent. Take a moment to double-check this address. Accuracy matters, because every incoming message will follow this rule. You'll also see an option to keep a copy of forwarded messages. Turn this on if you want your original mailbox to retain a copy for reference, search, or compliance. Keep in mind that storing copies will count toward your mailbox quota, while turning it off keeps your mailbox tidier. When you are done, select Save. That's it. Your forwarding is now active for web and new Outlook. Note that some organizations restrict forwarding to external addresses. If you don't see the option or it doesn't work, that limitation may be in place. Now let's cover classic Outlook on Windows. In the main window, click File, then select Manage Rules and Alerts. In the dialog that opens, click New Rule. Choose Apply Rule on messages I receive and click Next. On the next screen, don't select any conditions. Click Next again, and when prompted, confirm Yes to apply the rule to all incoming messages. In the Actions list, check Forward it to people or public group. Then, in the rule description at the bottom, click the underlined link to choose or type the forwarding address. Select it and confirm. This ensures the rule knows exactly where to send your mail. Give your rule a clear name so you can recognize it later, and click Finish. Your rule is now set. Depending on your account type, rules in Classic Outlook can be server-side or client-side. If it's client-side, Outlook needs to be running to process the forwarding. So keep the app open for continuous forwarding. That's all you need. Thanks for watching.